Welcome to the Get Up Guys Daily Dose Podcast.
Get up, guys! Raise your voices to the skies! Get up, guys! In His name we rise!
Man, I've got to tell you something that happened last week, and honestly, I still feel terrible about it. I'm on a group text with some of the guys from work. One of them shared some devastating news. A family member had been in a horrific accident. Naturally, I wanted to respond the right way, with empathy, encouragement, and prayer. So I grabbed my phone to send the prayer hands emoji. But in scrolling through, I accidentally sent the hysterical laughing with tears emoji to a message about someone's loved one being hospitalized. Oh, instant panic. I changed it as fast as I could and followed up with a real message of empathy and support. But man, I felt awful. Even with the best intentions, sometimes we misfire. We send the wrong thing. We say the wrong thing. We react poorly or deliver what someone doesn't need in the moment. But the good news is God never does that. God never misfires. He never accidentally sends you laughter when you need comfort. He never withholds the strength you need for today. Matthew 7:11 says, "If you then, though you are evil, know how to give good gifts to your children, how much more will your Father in heaven give good gifts to those who ask Him?" I'd like to say He never offers silence when you need a word, but let's be honest, sometimes it feels like it, right? We pray and wait, and it seems like nothing's coming through. In those moments, we have to check the noise in our own lives. The constant buzz of distractions, opinions, and even our own anxious thoughts can drown out His voice. And sometimes we have to be patient in our listening, trusting that the Father hasn't gone silent. He's preparing, working, and giving us exactly what we need in His perfect timing. Maybe today is a good day to pause, breathe, and pray. Father, I trust that you know exactly what I need today. Help me remove the noise and patiently receive it.
Get up, guys! Raise your voices to the skies!